My name's Mr. Minchin, and this is a quick trick shot. So my class have been learning how to add two-digit numbers, and most of them thought there was only one way to do it, but actually there's 4 different ways. Do you want to see? Okay, so method number 1 is known as vertical addition. Some of you might know it as chimney addition. And simply, I'm going to think about tens and ones. Okay, I'm going to line my numbers up in columns. So I'm going to have 3 and 6 to make 36, add 2 and 5. Now, 5 add 6 is 11, but I can't put the 10, I can't put both numbers in here, 11. So what I need to do is I need to carry this 10 over to the tens column. So I've got one here, one here. And now I've got 3 add 2, add this one that we've carried over to make 6. 61. Another method of doing this is to do it on something called a number line. Now for this, I would draw out a line and I would put the biggest number on the left-hand side, 36. And now what I can do is I can break 25 down into tens and ones, 20 and 5. And I can start to add up. So I could say 36 add 10 is 46. I've got to add another 10 to get rid of that 20, so add 10 gives me 56. Dealt with that. And now I need to add 5. Ooh, but 6 add 5, so that could be tricky. So what I could do is I could break down 5 as well. I could say 5 is made by 4 and 1. So I could add 4 to 56 to get 60, and then add 1 more to get 61. Third way of doing it is something called partition, where I would break the numbers, both numbers that is, down into tens and ones. So I'd have 30 and 6 and 20 and 5. And now what we do is we do a wee dance, and what we do is we bring the tens together and we bring the ones together. So we do 30 add 20 and we do 6 add 5. 30 add 20 is 50, 6 add 5 is 11, add those two numbers together and we get 61. Now final method is something called transformer. Now, transformer is when you add to either number in the sum to make it into a 10, like a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, whatever, because they're easier to add. So, for example, I could say 36. I know that 36 add 4 is going to give me 40. So really what I've got is 40 add 25. Add those two together, I get 65. But I need to take off that number that I added now. So I added 4, so I need to take off 4. So 65 take away 4 is 61. So there you have it. You've got chimney sums, partition, number line, and transformer. 4 different ways that you can do the same sum. The cool thing about maths is that there's not always one way to do something. So whatever strategy works for you, be it chimney, partition, number line, transformer, whatever, that's the one to use. And don't feel bad if your friend does chimney sums all the time, but you prefer number line. Everybody's different. We all learn in our own way. As long as you're getting the right answer, that's all that matters. I'm telling you, people used to say to me, Mr. Minchin, you're playing the guitar all wrong. But I wasn't. This is how I hold it. Sounds great, don't you think?